PPC or pay-per-click. Let me just very briefly describe what it is. You probably already know how search engines work and how SEO can help your website get a better ranking. Right? Well, sometimes even the best SEO strategy is just not enough. The keyword which you want to optimize for could be facing some really tough competition and you are simply unable to make it to the top results, or you can just use PPC, basically. Even if your SEO is not strong enough, your link can appear on the search results page, thanks to PPC ads. And because you only pay per click, this form of advertisement is very effective when you think about it. Only people interested in your offer will click on the ad and you only pay for these relevant visitors. Now compare this to traditional advertising. Do you also just pay for people who have actually read your newspaper ad? Notice the difference. Now you can say that's pretty cool. I can manage this PPC thing and get more customers.